You know, food is a big key entertainment piece in a care home because there's really not a ton to look forward to throughout the day, but those 3 fresh meals definitely are something to look forward to. We like to put a lot of emphasis on amazing clean eating in our care homes. We have a lot of protocols around it, and I want to share some with you. One big thing that we do is when we're doing the resident intake, we always ask the senior what's their favorite food. Do they have any recipes that they love, that they're known for cooking in their own family home? And we always incorporate that fresh new meal that they enjoy into that first week in the care home. It's a really nice way to welcome them and make them feel at home in their new home. Now, if they love cooking, you know, many of our, grandmas in the home, they love cooking. That's what they grew up doing. And so when it's time to bake cookies or do Rice Krispie treats, brownies, you name it, they want to join in on the fun. We allow them to still help us with the mixing and putting everything in the oven and do all that good stuff. With caregiver supervision, of course, but it really gives them back that little moment, that little thing that they knew that they were doing for so long that maybe it got taken away from them. But with supervision, now they can enjoy that again. If someone moves into the care home and they have dietary restrictions, maybe they're keto, gluten-free, kosher, vegan, you name it, we always like to incorporate that as well. So maybe the menu that's posted is now going to include a vegan option, a keto option. There's even some homes, like a home here in Arizona called Shalom Home, and they offer, kosher versions of the food, which is absolutely incredible. You don't have to be Jewish to live there, but obviously, it's suitable for someone who is Jewish, someone who is eating kosher and celebrating Jewish holidays. Within the home, when a senior comes in and they have a specific need, we cater to it. In a big box, they have a bunch of different options, like a cafeteria, so you get to go up and choose whatever you want. In an RAL, it's a little bit different. We curate the menu, we have it posted on the wall, we get it approved, through the state to have all the healthy, nutritious things that we need to get it approved. And then if there's any changes that need to be made along the way, you actually have to cross it out and change to write exactly what you did. That way, if someone comes on that specific day to do a surprise inspection, if you've got down that we're eating waffles and eggs and everybody's eating French toast, you need to make sure it's crossed out and you wrote French toast. That's something that a lot of people get tripped up on, and you can literally get a deficiency for it. So make sure that you do things right. Within the care home, you've got the menu, and then there's amazing tools that you can use, like Grove Menus. They help you create beautiful menus that, can serve 10 plus people, and it will even show you what grocery list you need to shop for and how much of each ingredient you need. I know when I'm at home cooking for me and my partner, it's so hard to know how much potatoes do I need, how much tomatoes do I need, and I'm always either overbuying or underbuying. Well, Grove Menus saves the day. When they come in, they curate the menu, they give you that grocery list, and then you can upload it to Instacart, baby, and have it straight delivered to the house, or send the licensed administrator or one of the caregivers to the store to get that food for the week. Something else to consider is that when you're buying this food for the seniors, they're not burning as much calories as we are throughout the day. They really eat a lot less. And so you're not really buying as much food as you would be for 4, 14-year-old boys. That's going to be a lot of food. They're always hungry, right? But grandma, grandpa, that's not really what, they're eating. It's usually a lot less. I know we're going to my grandmother's 90th birthday next week, and when I go out to eat with her, she gets a sandwich, splits it, and saves the other half for dinner because she's not eating that much, and she'll say, "Oh, I'm full, I'm stuffed," after 3 or 4 bites. When you eat with, your senior loved ones, you're probably having that same experience. So although food is a huge piece of entertainment within the home, they're not gorging themselves all day long with food. They're eating their nice meals, and snacks are available if they want, but it's not huge portions like maybe you're thinking. They're also not going out for like $200 steak dinners, right? We're cooking in bulk and we're eating at home. So that saves a lot of money on the bottom line too. Now, in your home, if it's a level 4 or a level 5 home, you might have a private chef. As I always say in class, if everybody has a private chef, you need a private chef. Listen, it's an amazing amenity that can add an additional $1,000 a month to the bottom line if it's not something common in your area. And if it is common in your area, you need it to just keep up with the times, because the caregivers who are working in your home, they might not be used to doing the cooking and the cleaning, right? Maybe they're just used to doing the caring and the cleaning, but not the cooking. So a chef comes in and it's a beautiful amenity that you can have. Maybe they're there from 5 a.m. to noon and they are going to work a second job later in the day or go to your next care home. Whatever it is, it's an amazing thing to do, and that's what food looks like in a care home.